Yo, hey, what's the deal, man? It's your boy Ty. So check it out. So this morning I'm on my program. Boom, boom, boom. Just in the gym, you know what I'm saying? Get my push-ups in right there. Boom, 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 bing. Next thing you know, my phone go off. I'm like, okay. I hear the message. I'm like, all right, boom, boom, boom. So then I check it. It's Skype. I'm like, okay, cool. I go on Skype. I see his Henko trade that reached out. They was like, yo, what's good? I'm like, what's good? Boom, boom, boom. Back to my program. It was like, we should do a giveaway. Okay, what type of giveaway you thinking? What you think? What you want to do? Okay, boom, back to my program, back to my program, back to my program. Maybe like 5 minutes later, boom, I get another message. All right, and here's what it said. They said, hey, we could do a $5,000 giveaway, which can be given to multiple clients. All right, and how they'll basically be eligible for the giveaway is all they have to do is sign up with Henko Trade, deposit a minimum of $100 into his or her live account, be subscribed to my YouTube, Instagram, whichever one you guys want to choose, and then be subscribed or follow their Instagram, okay? And they were like, let me know if you have any inputs. Shit, my input is, I think that's the simplest $5,000 that a few people could ever win. You know what I'm saying? I think that's amazing. I think it's really, really dope. And really, that's how to enter. So super, super simple. Once again, all right, and I'll put all the links and stuff in the description. So once you see the video, just go to the description, follow the links, and then when I'm choosing a winner, or when they'll be choosing a winner, because it's not my bread, they're giving you guys the bread, you know what I'm saying? So when we be choosing a winner will be on January 1st. So on December 31st, that'll be the last date that you can enter. Once again, December 31st is the last day that you can enter. And then January 1st, that's when a few winners will be chosen. Super simple. So I don't want nobody complaining next year talking about, oh, I don't have enough equity. I don't have enough money in my account, when they just fucking said they give you $5,000. You know what I'm saying? All you got to do is sign up, trade with them for a bit, and then you get a chance to win some money. I think that's simple. I think that's extremely easy, and then may the best person win. So once again, all right, the details. All right. So a few people, multiple people, have a chance to win $5,000. All right. And how they'll be eligible for the giveaway is they'll need to be able to sign up. And I'm reading because I got the message right here from the Skype. You feel me? So the way that they'll be eligible. All right. So you have to be eligible. Okay. You're not going to win if you're not eligible. Super simple. Some people, you guys don't know how these raffle things go. You don't know how it go, but you got to be eligible. How you're eligible, okay, is, okay, you have to deposit, all right, a minimum of $100 into your live account. All right. No demo accounts, no demo shit. Trade live, get in the game, get your skin, get your skin wet a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And get it cracking. All right. Also, you got to be subscribed to my YouTube. That's like my main thing. You know what I'm saying? I don't really, some people going to get this on the Insta. I'm going to go live on Insta after this drop on YouTube. But be subscribed to my YouTube, and then be subscribed to their Instagram. All right. So let me go to their Instagram. You're going to probably see it mirrored. But basically, I'll put everything in the description. So I'm literally going to make this shit easy as fuck so you guys get a chance to win this $5,000. Okay? Straight up. All right, so here's the Instagram right here, Henko Trade Official. All you got to do is just go there, you know what I'm saying? And then, shit, that's it. Follow that, you know what I'm saying? Click the follow button on that. All right, now it's your boy Ty. Hey, man, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and definitely, I can't wait to drop, shit, all the dope stuff I got going on. But this not the video for that, you know what I'm saying? But definitely be tuned in, and we're going to keep that shit locked.